PLUG, stock analysis price prediction for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and brief 1 minute video. And one thing that I'll tell you with Plug Power is that from the swing perspective, I'm in this long position and I'm still, looking to buy, double down on that and all that good jazz. But like randomly buying, it's just not going to be happening, like I always mentioned. I got the double shift there for the price. I'm just moving the SL just a little bit lower, so I can basically walk away with 0.0 R if I manage to lose. But, just so I don't put it at the exact break-even point, and that's how I moved it. Now, with Plug Power, I also have a lot of receipts in the Discord. I'm telling you, I got like 51 receipts. There's a bunch. And all I'm here to tell you is that I know, like, pretty bullish market, and all I can tell you is that this could have been just easy a fake out. That's why I was waiting for a double break, and from here on, I'm very bullish. Not financial advice, though. I mean, it's smaller risk now, so if you want to guess, stay tuned, get free sauce and all that good jazz and stock picks. Click the first link in the description, it's free.